Hi there, this is Bernice from Bernice Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how to make those quick and easy instant noodles with veggies and eggs. Okay, so if you want to see how I make this, please sit down, relax and keep on watching as I'll show you how I make this. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. You can use whatever thing you have available at home, okay? This recipe doesn't need too much ingredients. All right, so everything I use in this video will be listed in the description box below. So in this pan I've added some hot water and I'll go ahead and put in the noodles onto the pan and allow these to cook. And once it begins to boil, I'll just go ahead to separate the noodles and add my seasoning to it. So I'm just going to use half of the seasoning from the noodles, okay? And I'll just make sure I mix everything properly, and I'll keep the remaining noodles. I'm going to use that later on. All right, yeah. So the noodles, it's cooked now at this point, so I'm just going to take this off the stove, and it's now time to stir fry the veggies and the eggs. So at this time I'm going to add in like 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice, okay? You don't necessarily have to use olive oil. And I'll allow this to heat up, and once it's heated up, I'll go in to add my diced onions and I'll fry this till it's translucent. And please like this video, as this helps my video to get to a wider audience, okay? And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I'm begging you, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do that now as you are frying the onions, okay? Okay, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much. So next I'll just add in the diced tomatoes and roughly chopped pepper, and I'm going to fry these for like a minute or two. So at this point I'll just go ahead and add salt to taste, okay? So just add salt to your taste. All right, yeah. So I'll just stir this and fry this for like 35 to 45 seconds. And I'll also go ahead to add in the remaining noodle seasoning. So I'm just going to go ahead now to beat in the eggs and add that into the tomato sauce. So I'm just going to go ahead now to fry this egg for like a minute, and after which I'll introduce the frozen veggies. So if you don't have frozen veggies, if you have fresh carrots, peas and all that, just go ahead and use that. But for the carrots, make sure you cook that till it's half done before you introduce that into this egg sauce, okay? If not, it's going to be very hard and crunchy. But we still want this to be crunchy, but it's not going to be, you know, like when it's raw. You won't compare that to this. All right, yeah. And I'm just going to go ahead now to introduce the already cooked noodles, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix that thoroughly, okay? And if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, thank you very much, and really give this recipe a try. Yes, you'll be happy you did. All right, this noodles was so tasty, and I can eat these noodles at least twice a week. Sincerely speaking, I'm not a noodle fan, but after eating those noodles, the first time I tried it, oh my goodness, this is the second time I'm eating it this week. Let me just tell you, and you'll be happy you did. It's just so quick to prepare. In less than 30 minutes, this noodles is ready. Like in less than 30 minutes, this noodles it's ready. It's so tasty, it's delicious, it's healthy. Like, it's healthy. Thank you very much for watching. Please do stay safe. I love you all. Bye.